Nobody programmed this, yet AI learned it anyway. In the vast, ever-expanding universe of artificial intelligence, a phenomenon is unfolding. It's subtle, profound, and fundamentally reshapes our understanding of machine intelligence. We're talking about large language models, LLMs, the digital brains behind much of today's AI. At their core, LLMs are incredible pattern learners. They are fed colossal amounts of data, entire libraries, the internet itself, an ocean of human language. Their training isn't about being explicitly taught rules of grammar or syntax. It's about statistics. They learn to predict the next word in a sequence based on billions of examples. Imagine teaching a child to speak by only showing them conversations, never explaining what a noun is or how to conjugate a verb. Eventually, through sheer exposure and pattern recognition, the child starts to speak coherently. This pattern learning is powerful, yes, but it leads to something even more astounding: emergence. Emergent abilities are those capabilities that appear suddenly, often unexpectedly, as an AI model increases in scale, in the number of parameters it has and the amount of data it's trained on. These aren't abilities the developers specifically coded in or told the model to learn. They simply arise. Imagine a model that was primarily trained to predict the next word. Suddenly, with enough scale, it can fluently translate between languages it was never explicitly taught to translate. Or it can perform complex multi-step reasoning, explaining its logic, or even write computer code based on a simple human prompt. These are abilities that weren't programmed. They emerged. It's like observing a colony of ants. No single ant understands the concept of a colony or has a blueprint for its intricate tunnels. Yet, through simple local interactions, a complex functional colony emerges. Similarly, in LLMs, the simple interactions of predicting the next word billions of times over somehow give rise to high-level cognitive skills. We see common sense reasoning, creative writing, even a rudimentary form of understanding context and nuance appear as if from nowhere. The AI wasn't given a translation module or a reasoning engine. It developed them itself through the sheer statistical power of its training. This phenomenon challenges our very definition of intelligence, both artificial and natural. If complex capabilities can emerge from simple rules and massive scale, what does that say about our own minds? Are we witnessing the dawn of truly alien intelligence, not designed, but grown? The implications are vast, touching upon fields from scientific discovery to ethical considerations. Understanding emergence isn't just about understanding AI, it's about understanding the very fabric of complex systems, and perhaps intelligence itself. The journey of AI is far from over. As models grow even larger, as datasets become even more expansive, what other unforeseen abilities will simply appear? What new forms of understanding will emerge from the digital ether? The most surprising thing about AI may be what nobody expected it to learn. Subscribe if you want to understand the future of intelligence.